Hello friends, dear students, friends, welcome to Sairaj Education. You are eager and excited to appear for the forthcoming examination and achieve great success with scoring high marks. The secret to achieve this success in trifold: perfect, preparation and focused. Okay, focused reading and revision in writing of the work done. Friends, if you want 100% success in this examination, then tips and techniques to prepare for board exams. In that, first one is preparing well in time. Refer to past questions, gaining familiarity with the syllabus, prioritizing the subjects, making personal notes. Build upon speed and quality of preparation. Time management, be confident. Okay, take interest. Now I will explain this point. Okay, to listen carefully. Take interest in all subjects and read with great care. Develop a positive attitude. I can and I will complete the syllabus with ease. You will then study each subject with determination that I will study the subject thoroughly. Select your study corner which is quite away from any disturbance and with the sufficient light and air. Figures, laws, formula in mathematics and science should be studied independently. Examples should be solved regularly after clearly understanding them. ये पॉइंट्स 10th के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी ये टिप्स एंड टेक्निक्स है. ठीक है, इसके लिए मैं हर एक पॉइंट्स को यहाँ पे क्लियर करके दूंगी. तो ये आपके अगर कोई रिलेटिव्स है, ठीक है, आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो उनको भी आप ये शेयर करो और स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक देखो. ठीक है, तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि कौन से टिप्स एंड टेक्निक्स यूज़ करने आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए. ओके, और कैसे आप हाईएस्ट मार्क्स निकाल सकते हो. तो ये सबको शेयर करो जो भी है. नॉट सिर्फ बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स, ये हर एक एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा. तो आप आपके जैसे कि छोटे भाई रहे, बड़े भाई रहे, बहन रहे, ठीक है, तो किसी को भी आप शेयर कर सकते हो ताकि ये उनको भी हेल्पफुल हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट. The data of the study completed so far should be saved in your computer, that is the brain. This will boost your confidence and your completed study will remain fresh in your mind for a long time. Time management is very important in solving the papers. Follow the clock and allot yourself the same writing time as expected for the board examination. Students who find it difficult to remember should read answers again and again and practice writing the same. Gradually, the time taken will become less and points will remain in the memory for a longer time. Always bear in mind that it is not important how long you study, but how sincerely you study. Avoid the examination fear totally. Study with confidence, keeping an open mind. Make a note of last minute revision for all the subjects to help you during the examination days. Enter the examination hall with full confidence. After receiving the main answer sheet, read all the instruction carefully and fill in all required column. Stick the holograph and the barcode stickers in the right places. ये एक्चुअली वीडियो सब जब एग्ज़ाम आती है तब बना के डालते हैं, लेकिन मैंने सोचा अगर आपको पहले से ही आप प्रिपेयर रहोगे, ठीक है, अभी से, तब जाके आप परफेक्शन ला पाओगे आपकी स्टडी में. इसके लिए फिर मैंने ये वीडियो अभी बनाया है ताकि एंड टाइम पे करके कोई मतलब नहीं है. अगर आप अभी से प्रिपेयर हो तो अच्छे से आपके एग्ज़ाम्स जा सकती है. ठीक है, तो और अच्छे से प्रिपेयर भी कर पाओगे. ओके फाइन, स्टार्ट करते हैं. On receiving the question paper, read it carefully, remain cool and collected and select those questions first that you feel confident about the answer them. Then answer the other questions. All questions need to be answered in the specific time only. Hence, follow the time factor strictly. Avoid getting distracted by what is happening around in the examination hall. Keep your attention focused on answering the questions. Write your answer in neat and legible handwriting. Underline important points, lines, words of your answer. Do not use pens with red color or green color ink to underline the answer. Read carefully all the answers that you have written and make sure that you have not left out any points. All your supplements carefully and write the total number of supplements on the main answer sheet. Make sure that you have answered all questions and stuck the holograph sticker barcode sticker correctly. Do not be in the hurry to hand over your answer sheet to the supervisor. Okay, so friends, if you follow all the above instruction carefully, 100% success is yours. Okay, all the best and do your best. थैंक यू. एंड सब्सक्राइब अभी तक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लो, ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहेगी और आपके लिए मैं ऐसे ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव न्यूज़ भी लाती रहूँगी, ऐसे वीडियोस बनाती रहूँगी जिससे आपको स्टडी में हेल्प हो. ठीक है, और आप अच्छे से मार्क्स स्कोर कर पाओ. ओके, थैंक यू.